Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also multi-bagger tips. Now we are going to discuss about DHFL Limited. So you can see that I am discussing about DHFL since long time. You can see that there was 7 videos I uploaded. There was in each and every videos I told that it is a junk stock. You can see every video I have specified that it's a junk stock. It is going to be get wiped off. You can see here it's very clearly I specified. I don't know how to specify more than this. So in each and every video, if you see the comments where there was many people, they commented that I doesn't know about the stock market. So again and again the peoples are trying to getting fooled. That means retail investors, mainly they are following money control forum. Money control forum is that there is no genuine in this informations. The peoples are not passing there. Everybody they are doing marketing there. Here I don't want to do any marketing. Whatever the truth I have to say, this is my policy. Because there may be several channels they are doing the marketing, but I am not doing that. So whatever the right thing is there, I am saying to you. Because I told very clearly that according to Permal Group, they have submitted to NCLT. um, that means while they are submitting the offer to NCLT through RP, they consider the firm value as zero. And that's the reason the public equity will get wiped off without any pay. That means as of yesterday, whatever the investors they have made the money, they have invested, everything is zero today. So you can see here, yesterday the news was published. Sorry, day before yesterday, after market closing, the news was published that today onwards, the equity will be, that means trading will not be happen. Trading is suspended in BSE and NSE. You can see here all the medias they covered only yesterday, for yesterday, after market closing. You can see here the market capitalization is 500 crore. It's all public money. Entire all the retailers money went to just scrap. They lost all the money, including their investment profit, whatever they have made throughout the years, everything they have lost. This is the reason I am saying, please listen to others, those who have knowledge, those who are well into the market. So the same thing was happened to Uttam Value Steel also. I told the same. The people are not listening to that. Again and again they are investing, and they are getting fooled. Because you can see there was huge upper circuit was happened. There was a huge rally was happened during this time in DHFL. If you see here DHFL share. So if you see here, there was a huge rally itself was happened. You can see here last 1 month there was a huge rally was happened. So the people, that means the retailers are ready to get full. This is the reason. Already I told that it is getting wipe off. The peoples are not listening to that. The peoples are just following the this thing campaigners. That means like operators, and they are getting it. They are investing there and they are getting it full. So always keep it in mind that whatever the stock we are investing, whatever the stocks are there in our portfolio, that should be 100% fundamentally strong. Then this kind of issues will not be happen. So keep away from this kind of stock. Yesterday one of my subscriber asked, what about Uttam Galva Steel? Uttam Galva Steel is also in NCLT. Because the that also the negative net worth is there. So that also will get wipe off. Uttam Galva Steel also. So this kind of, just keep away from this kind of stocks and save your money. Whatever the making money is very easy, but to hold it with our hand is very difficult. So we have to take the decision in time, in the right time. So that will make us wealthy. So always I am saying the same thing. Please follow that, and please don't make such a losses in future. I don't know whether anyone losses within my subscribers. So if it is happen, I'm really sorry for that. Because it was not happen because of me, but I'm still I know that the pain, there will be a pain, because while we are losing whatever we have earned. So I'm really sorry for that. But try to do the investment in proper way in a fundamentally strong companies. And very clearly I'm specifying